all started in 1996 with our first order of 8 boats. Since that time, we've grown to having built over 1,200 charter boats for the Moorings fleet. One of the strongest and best points of our relationship is that we get feedback from very discerning clients, and believe me, they're very discerning. The feedback doesn't come in any haphazard method. It comes in an organized way through the Moorings sales and marketing department to our product development team, and together we collaborate to create these boats you see here. We try to be very innovative, but at the same time we try to make sure we're conservative in what we do, so the boats are very easy to maintain while have constant new features, making them attractive to new buyers. It all began with a recognition of the attention to detail we spent on our boats. For us, quality cannot be compromised, and I think that was recognized, and that's how it all really started. The attention to detail that we spend on the boats is translated by craftsmen we have on our line, and we have now grown to over 1,400 people. And we work in 7 production lines around the port of Cape Town. At the rate we're going at right now, is we're exporting in excess of 180 boats a year. This line is I think an example of where we've really come from really small beginnings to a line of this capacity, just one line able to make 80 boats a year.